Welcome to Alfra English channel. Listen to the question and sample answer, then try to answer the same question on your own.
Do you sometimes prefer to send a text message instead of telephoning?
Yes, sometimes sending a text message is more convenient and makes more sense than calling someone. For instance, if I'm in a meeting or in a crowded place, I would prefer SMS than phone calls. Moreover, if I need to send an address, a number, or an email ID, I would rather send a text message than to call the intended recipient. You can share your answers in the comment below. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.